Jenkins Nissan, where the deals are real. We offer bottom line pricing on over 700 new vehicles. Cruise in and find the perfect one for you.
You've got a tough to-do list, and finding a truck that'll keep up is job number one. There's really only one choice, because when the tough get going, they're in a Nissan Frontier. Choose from 5 models, starting with the S and moving through the well-appointed SL. Featuring king and crew cab body styles on full-length, fully boxed ladder frames. Every Frontier is a mid-size pickup with plenty of muscle and towing power. Not all cargo is created equal, so Nissan created the Utilitrack channel system. It secures your load with the most bed rails in its class. The standard rear-view monitor makes trailer hitch-up easy. Inside the cabin, it's a man cave on wheels. Comfort, entertainment, cup holders. The Frontier has it all. And with available Nissan Connect, all your apps, calls, music, and more come together on one screen. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and genuine Nissan accessories, and build a Frontier that's all yours. The Nissan Frontier. Tough is always on call.
Rest assured you will receive fast, friendly, direct, and honest pricing at Jenkins Nissan. You can contact our internet team at 888-706-2134 or visit us in person at 4401 State Road 33 North in Lakeland, Florida.